Hello, this is Aviation Blue Tech. Yeah, I'm showing you these models that are for sale on eBay. I got about 36. I'm gonna briefly just go over each one to let you guys know, and you can check them out on my eBay account. Without any further delay, let's get it started. I have a JetBlue Gemini Jets Airbus A320, Gemini Jets United Boeing 737-900. United 737-800 by Gemini Jets. Delta Airbus A330-200 Gemini Jets. Delta Airbus 330-300 Gemini Jets. Delta 737-900 Gemini Jets. Delta 767-300 Gemini Jets. Southwest 737 MAX 8. Southwest 737-800. FedEx 767-300. Aeromexico 737-800. This Virgin Airbus A320 from Gemini Jets. Virgin America Airbus A319. Yangtze River Airlines 747-400 freighter from JC Wings. Quanta's Airbus A380. FedEx 777 freighter. It does come with a stand. China's Southern Airbus A380 from Phoenix. Got a Air France regional Embraer 145 from Phoenix. FedEx F27 from Aeroclassics. United Express Embraer 145. United Express CRJ 200. Delta Connection CRJ 900. Delta Connection ATR 72-200. Delta Connection CRJ 200. Delta Connection CRJ 700. American Eagle CRJ 200. British Airways Airbus A318 from Herpa. Spirit Airlines Airbus A320 Neo from Aeroclassics. JetBlue Airbus A320 NYPD livery on Aeroclassics. JetBlue Airbus A321 Aeroclassics. Cathay Pacific Airbus 330-300 from Phoenix. American Eagle Embraer 170. American Airlines 767-300. Alaska 737-800. And Airport Accessories 1/400 scale from Witty Wings. So there you have it. These are for sale on my eBay store, so please check them out. Until next time, take care.